Hello, my bearded and unbearded fellows and fellowesses. I've got another thing for you. Today, I picked up some new toys. So this is 16th inch cable, £94. This is 8th inch wrapped cable, £384. I built the guard that keeps the bolt in and rebuilt the trigger so that I have a notch where my knot goes. What do you think about that? So, I think we're going to restring this one and see if we can get a little more power. As you can see, I am mounting this in the same place that I put the weed cord in. The problem with weed cord is it stretches, and I'm real sure that that's going to break pretty easy. I mean, it does have some pretty good tensile strength, but it won't have anything near what this will have. So, kind of looped it through, crimped it up, so this will stay. It'll be nice and clean. There's not any frays or loose ends or bits or bobs or wiggly bits. So, yep, we're gonna basically just follow the same path through this. Just kind of mimic what's there. That way I don't have to re-string the bow. And then when I get to the end, I'll press the bow, get a little more arc in it, and then clamp it down. Hopefully it'll stay. All right. Now we're getting dangerous. We got wire. This is 94-pound steel cable, and I increased the weight of the bow to about it's probably a 55 or 60-pound pull right now, which means that the bow itself is giving up about 100 pounds or 110. So yeah, well, we'll see if things start flying apart now. Woo! All right, this is under so much tension, and it is strung so hard right now that the trigger no longer releases it. Whew. This is where things start getting dangerous, because boy, if we mess up this knock, it either won't fire, it will fire prematurely when you're loading an arrow or a bolt, which we don't want to be missing fingers with 94 pounds. So, yeah, we're gonna just try to fix that without killing ourselves. Alright, let's see how this thing fires. Jen has volunteered to put the can upon her head so we can fire at it and see if we hit it. Just kidding.
Just gonna take a fire, kind of lob it, see what kind of power we got. It's hard to tell at short range and stuff, so these arrows are obviously not the best, or bolts. And they're not weighted right. I did buy some, so they're in the mail. They're coming to us for right now.
This is where I said that. Oh, this is where the trigger failed, and I had to wiggle it loose.
That's pretty good.
Crossbow.
That was a lot of fun. Alright, so got to shoot it. There's a couple things that we can do to improve it. As you can see, this is in pine, so this strong, small cable likes to eat into the soft pine, and it is probably no longer a sufficient frame for the power that we've got in here. So one of the things that I may end up doing is upgrading the frame with some hardware, and then putting a safety device in, so that when you pull it back, you don't have to worry about missing fingers if it accidentally lets loose, which is a real possibility with pine because it's so soft. The cable could roll and oops, just call me Stubby. So yeah, we don't want any of that stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's been fun. Subscribe, like, bye.